Ford just entered the motorhome game with a platform nobody expected. This changes everything we thought we knew about RV conversions. Hey everyone! Today we're exploring the 2026 Ford Motorhome, built on Ford's legendary transit platform with groundbreaking features that are shaking up the entire RV industry. This isn't just another van conversion. Ford engineered something special here. Let's break down why this motorhome demands your attention. The motorhome market needed disruption, and Ford delivered exactly that. For decades, conversion vans have been afterthoughts, chassis platforms that converters modify with varying degrees of success. Ford changed the approach entirely. The 2026 Ford Motorhome matters because Ford actually collaborated with top conversion companies during the design phase. They engineered the Transit specifically with RV living in mind, adding features that other manufacturers ignore. Pre-wired electrical systems, reinforced mounting points, and factory RV prep packages are game changers. Timing is everything. Gas prices have stabilized, interest rates are normalizing, and baby boomers are retiring in record numbers. The RV industry is booming, but buyers are smarter now. They want fuel efficiency, modern technology, and vehicles they can actually park in normal spaces. The 2026 Ford Motorhome checks every box. Ford also recognized that younger buyers want different things than previous generations. They need mobile offices with reliable internet, efficient climate control for remote work, and modern aesthetics that don't scream retiree mobile. This motorhome speaks to multiple demographics simultaneously, which is why it matters now more than ever. The exterior of the 2026 Ford Motorhome, built on the Transit platform, strikes an impressive balance between capability and approachability. The extended high roof configuration stands 110 inches tall and stretches nearly 24 feet in length, maximizing interior volume without becoming unwieldy. Ford's signature trapezoidal grille dominates the front, flanked by sleek LED headlights and integrated fog lights. The aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. It genuinely improves fuel economy compared to boxier competitors. Wind tunnel testing shows a measurable advantage at highway speeds. The body construction uses Ford's proven steel framework with composite panels in strategic locations to reduce weight without sacrificing strength. The dual sliding doors on the passenger side are a Transit hallmark, providing excellent access flexibility that single-door competitors can't match. Ground clearance sits at 8 inches with available all-wheel drive, a significant advantage for accessing dispersed camping sites and handling winter conditions. Ford engineers the AWD system specifically for loaded RV applications, not just empty cargo vans. The roof comes factory reinforced for aftermarket additions with pre-installed mounting rails rated for solar panels, roof racks, air conditioning units, and even rooftop decks. Ford provides detailed load calculations and mounting specifications, making professional conversions significantly easier and safer. Exterior storage options are extensive. The Transit platform allows for massive pass-through storage compartments, exterior shower connections, and utility bays. Many converters install heated and insulated compartments for year-round accessibility. Paint options include modern metallics and Ford's commercial-grade finishes designed to withstand years of exposure. The clean lines and contemporary styling age well compared to dated RV graphics packages. Ford integrated towing capability directly into the platform with available factory tow packages rated up to 7,500 pounds. The electrical connector and brake controller come pre-installed, saving thousands in aftermarket modifications. Step inside the 2026 Ford Motorhome, and you immediately notice the thoughtful engineering. The cab area features Ford's latest cockpit design, with a massive 12-inch touchscreen running SYNC4 technology. The interface integrates navigation, entertainment, and available Ford Co-Pilot 360 driver assistance features. The captain's chairs offer 10-way power adjustment, heating, cooling, and memory settings. These aren't aftermarket seats. They're Ford's premium seating designed for all-day comfort. The driving position provides excellent visibility through large windows and available blind spot monitoring. Behind the cab, the conversion possibilities are remarkable thanks to 147 inches of interior cargo length and 72 inches of interior height. Most adults can stand completely upright, which transforms the livability compared to lower roof platforms. Quality conversion companies create full-featured layouts within this space. Galley kitchens typically include 3-burner propane or induction stoves, 12-volt compressor refrigerators with separate freezers, deep stainless steel sinks, and solid surface countertops. Storage cabinetry uses modern soft-close hardware throughout. The dinette area usually accommodates 4 adults comfortably with convertible bed functionality. Upholstery options range from durable vinyl to premium leather, depending on budget. Many conversions include drop-down tables with integrated wireless charging and abundant USB-C ports. Bathroom configurations vary from portable toilet setups to full wet baths with cassette toilets, shower enclosures, and vanity sinks. The Transit's width allows for surprisingly spacious bathroom designs that don't feel claustrophobic. Sleeping arrangements often include a permanent rear bed platform with a queen-size memory foam mattress and storage underneath. Some conversions feature Murphy beds or pop-top sleeping areas for additional capacity. Climate control systems typically combine rooftop air conditioning units with diesel or propane heaters. Ford's factory insulation is excellent, and quality converters add spray foam or Thinsulate for true 4-season capability. Electrical systems in premium conversions feature 400 to 600 amp-hour lithium battery banks, 3,000 to 5,000 watt inverters, and 600 to 800 watts of solar generating capacity. Shore power capability and DC to DC charging from the alternator provide multiple charging options. Ford pre-wired several circuits specifically for RV conversions, including dedicated battery charging circuits and auxiliary power points. This factory preparation saves converters significant time and ensures professional-grade electrical integration. Flooring typically uses luxury vinyl plank or commercial-grade vinyl for durability and easy maintenance. Wall and ceiling treatments range from painted composite panels to wood veneer depending on aesthetic preferences and budget. The 2026 Ford Motorhome offers 2 engine options. The standard 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 produces 310 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque, providing excellent acceleration and highway merging confidence. The available 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid adds electric motor assistance for 318 combined horsepower and dramatically improved fuel economy. Both engines pair with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and intelligently selects gears for optimal efficiency. Tow/haul mode adjusts shift patterns for maintaining engine braking on descents. Fuel economy with the EcoBoost averages 16 to 18 miles per gallon on highways. Impressive for a vehicle this size. The PowerBoost Hybrid achieves 19 to 21 miles per gallon, making it one of the most efficient motorhome platforms available. The 25-gallon fuel tank provides 400-plus mile range. Payload capacity reaches 4,250 pounds on properly equipped models, allowing for substantial conversion build-outs without constant weight concerns. Ford provides detailed payload calculators specifically for RV applications. The ride quality benefits from Ford's independent front suspension and rear leaf springs tuned for loaded conditions. Optional adaptive damping further improves comfort over varied road surfaces. The 2026 Ford Transit chassis starts around $48,000 for extended high-roof configurations with the EcoBoost engine. Adding all-wheel drive and the PowerBoost Hybrid brings the base price to approximately $58,000. Professional motorhome conversions add $30,000 to $85,000 depending on features and quality. Turnkey motorhomes typically range from $78,000 to $143,000 fully equipped. Competitive pricing for the features delivered. DIY conversions can be completed for $60,000 to $90,000 total if you're capable and patient. Ford's conversion-friendly design makes DIY builds more accessible than many competing platforms. The 2026 Ford Motorhome proves that smart engineering beats badge prestige every time. It's efficient, capable, and built for real adventures. What do you think about Ford's approach? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more RV content. See you next time.